Sometimes the problem is not a lack of effort. Sometimes it's not a lack of intelligence. Sometimes it's not even bad intention. Sometimes the problem is simply this: something has been placed in the wrong position.
Let me tell you an old story. Mulla believed a better place would make everything better. One day, Mulla Nasiruddin decided to take his donkey up to the roof. In his mind, the idea made sense. The roof was higher, more open. In his mind, the idea made sense. Higher felt like progress. At first, everything seemed fine. The donkey stood there quietly. Mulla felt proud of his decision. Come here, my friend. That's a good donkey. Come on, let's go for a walk. That's it, good boy.
But the donkey refused to come down, no matter how much Mulla tried.
Mulla called it. He tried to persuade it. 30 minutes passed. Then an hour.
The donkey stayed on the roof.
The roof was never meant for him. And then the kicking began. The roof was old, weak, and the rainy season was coming.
So Mulla climbed back up to force the donkey down.
But the donkey did not move.
Instead, it kicked harder. Finally, Mulla lost patience. He tried to push the donkey down. Down, you stubborn mule!
With one violent kick, Mulla fell from the roof.
Mulla fell to the ground. His arm was broken, his body badly injured, and the roof collapsed. The roof collapsed, and the donkey fell with it. Its leg was broken. It couldn't stand. Lying on the ground, Mulla finally understood.
A donkey should never be placed on a roof, because wrong placement destroys everything.
This is where the story stops being about a donkey and starts being about us. When institutions place the wrong people in critical positions, structures collapse. Trust breaks, and the future is damaged. Is it a higher place or simply the wrong one?